Yo, do you play Warcraft Rumble? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So it's pretty easy. You just want to go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. They have all the modded apps you could ask for. So once you get onto the site, just go to the search bar and you'll see Warcraft Rumble somewhere in here. There it is. So just press on it, and before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, guys. It's just a verification. We got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. 100% free from official app store, by the way, so not a third party. So anyway, guys, we do need to download the apps. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this because a lot of people do not know how to do verification correctly. There's a big issue with it that I'm going to address. So here's the page. It says, please install 2 free apps. Additional files are required, blah, blah, blah. So there's going to be around 4 apps to choose from. What people do is they download 2 of the apps, they press tap to install, brings you to the App Store, and then they just don't do anything on the app. That's bullshit, guys. You got to run them and complete the instructions. You see Family Island, it says reach level 10, you got to do that. You see Golf, reach level 10, you got to do that. I did the Family Island one, I had to reach level 10. It was easy for me. I did not have any problems. So anyway, guys, make sure you do that. As long as you do it, you'll be good. Now, the apps you see may be different depending on where you live. I don't really know anything about, like, if you're in India, the apps are probably going to look super different. I'm in the United States, so these are the apps they show me. TikTok, this golf game I never heard of, but I guess it's popular. So anyway, I know reaching level 10 on a game sounds kind of daunting, but if you guys want to get free stuff in Warcraft Rumble, it's totally worth it, because remember, this is a one-time process. They're not going to remove it from your device or anything like that, so you guys should be good to go. There is like an AI you can actually talk to. I thought this was a little bit funny. That will give you some advice. So if you guys are really down and out, this can give you some insight if my video was too confusing. So I'll see you later, and peace out.